Got the youngest with us today. Who we got with us? We got Austin. What's your name, bro? we got Mari right here. Mari, okay. Then we got A-Dog. We got A-Dog, yeah. Okay. What we about to do today, y'all?
Maybe ride a mini bike.
Oh, yeah. We about to. That's what we doing?
Yeah.
All right. Y'all heard them, y'all. So we about to get active with the youngest today, man. You already know we do it for the youth. So let's go ahead and get busy, man. So they want to ride this little 50 jump for real. I had my little man riding this jump when he was 5. So you know, Austin he like 8, 7, 8, and then Mari he like 10. So yeah, you know, we gonna have him in the backyard for starters. We ain't gonna go too extreme off the rip. Y'all see they was taking falls on this jump yesterday. They gotta, yeah. Hopefully it still start up and all that. How much gas it got? Yeah, it got gas. They got enough gas. So yeah, we're gonna let them hit the little FRP 50cc. You feel me? It's called Hot Lock, and it keeps the exhaust on, like mufflers, exhaust bolts, and all that. It's supposed to be like a way stronger lock type. So we're gonna see and test that, see if it works. We're gonna do an oil change on the 224, and then I'm gonna idle the motor for like how many minutes to say? Like 2 to 4 minutes, 4 minutes or 10 minutes, something like that. So yeah, y'all, we're gonna do that in the oil change, but we cooling with the youngest right now, man. We got the we got 2 different gears right here. We got twin gear right there. Mari, you know, Mari's a whole helmet right there up there.
I see the backyard because I failed yesterday. I can't go on the streets yet. I ran it.
So yeah, we got the FRP right here, man. You know, on my little mini bikes, I take off the fenders, y'all. Yo, the fenders always end up coming off. But yeah, let's see if they can hit the little cold start for real. I mean, it don't even matter whether it's up or down for real. But it should be down when it's yeah.
When I turn it on, you.
So let's see what the kids got, man. They about to try hit the joint on. Okay.
I can start it first try.
Also say you can start it first try.
I can start it.
Okay. We got Mario, man. Oh.
I can start it.
Oh, my man trying to get that jump.
I can start it first try.
Okay.
Let me try.
All right, maybe try to put the choke up, right? Put the choke. Hold on, Austin. Austin, no. Let go. Wait till Mari finish.
Oh.
Put the choke up, all right. But watch out, Austin. Watch out. One more. Flick it down, right? Flick the choke down. Put it down.
Like that?
Okay, yeah, okay. Let's see what you got, Austin. He said he got one pull at him. Let's see what he got. Oh, and see, he hit it with the one pull, like he said. We all got him. You feel me? Who going?
I'm not going first. I'm in here now.
You wanna go first? All right, Mari said y'all playing. He about to hit it. Oh wait, you gotta remember, you gotta warm it up. Sometimes, like, you know. So to warm these up, yeah, you gotta be real. Now it should be ready. Okay, oh yeah, he gone. Yeah, we got him in the backyard for right now. Twin said he trying to go on the street. Yeah, you already know how Twin get. You already know how me and Twin get. Now my man getting that good practice in though, good seat time, you feel me? That's what it's about, man. Do this for a couple days, couple months, you feel me? Try to go full speed from the end of right here all the way over there. See if you can really hit that jump. Back up, keep backing up all the way. All right, and then fully hit it all the way down till you get to the end near the yellow moon bounce. Okay. He let off. Oh, he let off the gas. He let off the gas. Okay, let's see what he got. Okay. All right, hit the brake. Okay, good job. Okay. All right, bet. All right.
It's my turn.
That's a good job, Maury. So we got Austin up. And also, remember, man. Remember that brake, all right? Remember what we talked about. All right, you got to hit this. All right. My man Austin ready. All right, hold on. Okay. Hey, Austin, remember the brake, okay?
Yep, the brake show is here.
All right, so. Oh, okay. Okay. I missed it. Keep going. Okay, hit the brake. Oh, hit the brake, hit the brake. The brake, don't get up from the bike. All right, turn around. You don't got nowhere else to go. All right, good job, go. Okay. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna do one more.
One more?
This way.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
Turn it off. Hit the kill switch. Hit the kill switch.
Okay, turn it off.
Hit the kill switch. Good job. Good job, Austin. Yeah, that was better than yesterday, man. Oh, man. No crash today. All right, Twin. Well, he done probably. How much gas is in here? Yeah, it still got a little bit. Twin about to show off with the junk, cause he was having this junk since he was 5. So he about to go ahead and show off on this junk. 8 years old. Come on, man. Gotta teach him young. Get up out the way. You see that car? Get out the way. Yeah. I taught him right. You see how close he gets to the side? Like, yeah, really surgical. Really taught my youngin right. Come on, man. Real surgical behind the handles. Like, come on, bro. Good joke. Okay. 20 miles per hour. Loud. Yeah. Okay. Look, you get to leaning with it. Okay, Twin. Hey, that's my man youngin right there. You feel me? Okay. Okay. Get out the way. Get out the way. Okay. Okay. Oh, you are. Okay, what you got? Show 'em what you got. Okay. Yeah. All right. We gonna get there. I'm gonna hit my boys up so they can teach you how to do some tricks. Yeah. Look at him. Look at the hand placement. Well, he got his whole hand on the brake. Look, he's trying. Okay, little Maury. Oh yeah, he said I'm on it. Look at this position, all that, man. I'm training some real bike life youngins right here, man. Oh, he about to zoom. He trying to hit it all the way over there. Okay. Oh, he hit the bump right there. That's what be stopping him. He hit a bump for real. He gone. Tell you, man, he been on that bike since he was 5, so he just throw that joint around for real. He said first hit. Oh, okay. He said he got okay. Oh, wait. Oh, hold on. Oh, that joint bugged out. Oh, it's cause see that joint, y'all was running with the choke on. Y'all gotta have that joint down. Oh, you might be running out of gas.
Want me to go get the gas? You want me to go get it, Twin?
Nah, y'all hold this. I'm gonna get it. On it. Why is it bugging? Be just halfway first and like ease into it, like smooth. Smooth. Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay. That's what he want. Oh. Okay, look. Yeah, you like that RPM. You like that. Oh, look, he like that. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So you can stop right here. You can turn around right here if you want. This is the end of my jump. Okay. It's all good. Don't worry about it. We're gonna put some 15W40 diesel motor oil on this jump because you know this jump take a lot of abuse and stuff like that. And then we're gonna put some hot lock. We're gonna put some hot lock on our muffler so you know we don't be too loud for you know neighbors and all that, and people who just don't like mini bikes and stuff. So I don't gotta have no complaints. You feel me? So yeah, let's just get that stuff out the way, man. And yeah, we just put that work in like this. Oh, it's going in that fit. It's going in the funnel a little bit. Yeah, that oil was definitely black. Boom. Out a little bit for the past 2 weeks. We was definitely riding this bike a good amount. So you know, we gotta treat it with respect. You know. Oh yeah, it comes out like a real thick and strong gel, y'all. Ooh, it start dripping down. We wanna make sure it's on all the threads, like every side. I do not want this muffler to come off. Like, we will move on. We'll get a nice hand tighten. We got the hot lock on that muffler, man. We got the new oil change going on, so now we're just gonna let the bike idle for like 5 to 10 minutes, like I said. And the thread locker should be thread locked after that heat cycle. So yeah, let's get it started. Not moving at all. And yeah, it's going to just heat up. And yeah, we're going to come back to it in 5 to 10 minutes.